Hello students of 5th class. Once again we all are together. I hope you all are enjoying the moral science class. Let's start with unit 2 study technique. So before starting this, I want to tell you something. Studying is important because it is essential for a person to develop a complete education. And good study skills can increase your ability to learn and retain knowledge. Study techniques are the skills you need to enable you to study and learn efficiently. These techniques encourage the students to become more efficient learner. Let's start with the chapter. First we will read this. The first and the foremost duty of a student is to study. However, most of the students think studying is just reading. It is an absolutely wrong concept because reading is only one aspect of learning. Moreover, studying can be termed as an art which has to be done systematically. Once we get the techniques, studying will become much easier. Okay, so as a student, you have to follow these study techniques. First one, make up our mind to study. Make a goal in your life. Though difficult, never take learning as a burden. Take it as a challenge. Okay. Number 2. Next, love what we are going to do. It will make things easier. Next, we may not like all the subjects equally. Some students like math, some are Hindi, some are any other subject. But, however, remember, we can achieve the goals in life only when we win over our dislikes. Next is, if it is totally impossible to like a subject, think of a few practical advantages of studying it. Next, select an appropriate place where we could sit quiet and study. Next, when we select the place, make sure an atmosphere where we could concentrate on our activities. Presence of people, vehicles, etc. are easy distractors. They can disturb us. If studying in a room, make sure it has proper ventilation. The room should be ventilated. There should be adequate light so that the eyes are not much strained. When we divide our study time into appropriate blocks with proper intervals, if we take a short break, we will be able to concentrate better. Come on the next page. Next is, we should have daily as well as weekly reviews and updates. It will help us to know what progress we have made in our studies. And daily updates with the newspapers, by TV, news channels, we can get the knowledge. When we have many things to do, make a priority list. When we making the list, begin with the most difficult subject or task. If we start with the easy ones, it will become more difficult to handle the tough ones. Next, our search for knowledge should not be end with the textbooks. We should find time for reading extra books dealing with the same topic. You can search on the net also. You can read the books in library also. Discussing various topics with friends can be an effective way of learning. Next, whenever we get a chance, share with others what we have studied. Always remember, the best way of learning is teaching. When we teaching, we can explain very well. Make sure the body gets enough rest. Don't read continuously any topic or anything. Take some rest. A sound sleep can refresh the body and the mind. If doubtful of something, get the help of teachers. Never hesitate to get doubts clear. Some shy students, they never take the help of the teacher. Once we have studied something, just take a piece of paper and write it down. Writing fixes what is learned. Next, at times, get the help of parents, brothers, sisters or friends to ask questions on what we have studied. And the last point is more importantly, be confident. Once we believe in our ability to learn, nobody can stop us from doing so. Okay, this is a chapter about the study techniques. You can follow all the study techniques. Come on the exercise. Activity time. A part. How is reading associated with learning? How is reading associated with learning? Right answer. Reading is only one aspect of learning. Reading is only one aspect of learning. B part. What is the advantage of reviews and updates? Reviews and updates help us to know what progress we have made in our studies. Reviews and updates help us to know what progress we have made in our studies. Next is, how should we make the priority list? We should begin the priority list with most difficult subject. We should begin the priority list with most difficult subject. Next, D part. What happens once we have faith in our ability to learn? What happens once we have faith in our ability to learn? When we have faith in our ability to learn, then nobody can stop us to achieve our goal. When we have faith in our ability to learn, then nobody can stop us to achieve our goal. Question number 2. All the question answers you have to do on your book only. Question number 2. Write true or false. A part. The first duty of a student is to read. The first duty of a student is to read. Instead of read, what will come? Study. This is false. B part. There should be adequate light when we study. True. There should be adequate light when we study. True. C part. One should study all the night without sleeping. This is false. One should study all the night without sleeping. False. D part. Teaching is the best way to learn. True. Teaching is the best way to learn. True. Come on the next page. Question number 3. Sharing time. Here are descriptions about two students. Here are descriptions about two students. Share your views on their learning styles. Also indicates whether it is good or bad. First is, Amisha is good in studies. If she has some doubts, she doesn't care to get them cleared. She doesn't share it with friend too. She thinks it is a shame. Now think, it is good or bad? Right here, bad. Next is, Rohit wants to study well. During study hours, he sits for hours and studies. He doesn't even move from his seat. Sometimes he becomes tired and nods. What do you feel, it is good or bad? This is bad. Right here, bad. Next is question number 4. The textbooks, teachers and parents are main source of knowledge. The textbooks, teachers and the parents are the main source of knowledge. However, there are some other sources too. Find out and write them in the blanks with the help of the pictures. What is this? Newspaper. What is a newspaper? By the newspapers, we can improve our reading skill also and we get the knowledge. Number 2, nature. Number 2, nature. Number 3, computer. Number 3, computer. By the net also, we can search any topic or any explanation on the topic. Next is radio. Next is radio. Next, library. In the school also, you are going to library to read the books. With the reading of the books, we get knowledge, words, difficult words, meanings, and improve our knowledge. Next is television. Next is television. Okay, students. In next video, we will do next chapter. This chapter is over. You have to write on the book neatly. Now, okay, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.